If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2023 Jeep Compass Sport in Redline Pearl. With full speed forward collision warning, active lane management system, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, drowsy driver detection, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, select terrain system, rear seat reminder alert, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 11004A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.